Okay, up here in Kenmore area. So we have got a couple issues here. This customer has had years of water coming in up here. So we did the gutter and we got a little bit of a pan up against the wall, but that's not solving the problem. This water throughout the years has came in and deflected down onto, we know the decking, the wall decking here. We're not sure about the header yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the shutters, set those aside to be reinstalled. The aluminum trim is going to come off all the windows. We're going to bring in the removal company to come in and bring the siding off from corner to corner. And then we'll come back in and tie back on. Once he gets it off, we're going to find out how deep this problem is. Hopefully it's only on the sheathing. If it is, we can just replace the sheathing and continue. If not, then we're going to have to go ahead and go to plan B, support the wall, bring the windows out, put in a new header, double 2x10, and get it replaced. And then what we're going to do, the customer's going to pick out a stone from, we're going to go ahead and put in a ledge from the window to the corner and all the way across, and on the other side, almost 36 inches high. And then we're going to, she's going to pick out a stone, one of the stone sidings that we have available on those areas there, and then we're going to run a horizontal buckskin color vinyl on the rest of the siding. Above the window, we're going to go ahead and create a ribbon board going above that window trim from end to end, and we'll have that trimmed out the color of their trim. And then we're going to run a vertical buckskin on the peak. Okay, and then we're going to have just a 3/8 foam board. We're doing a soffit underneath the cantilevers. Going to give her a light block there for a light. If she wants to pick up a new light, she's more than welcome to grab it, and we can put that in. And then we're going to trim all the windows out in the same color as before. So, and then what we're going to do, I've got another video. We're going to create a diverter that is, they got that little diverter up on the roof. What we're going to do is we're going to come up about 1.5 inches high with some thick 027 gauge brown facing out. Going to tuck up underneath the shingles and onto the drip edge and run all the way down to the gutter. So any water that hits there is going to come down. And then after that, we're going to install a brown pan that is actually going to go 3/4 of an inch up our brown that we have on there now, cover the galloper roof, and then come 3/4 of an inch up onto the diverter that we have out here. And we will have that zip screwed in. Where that little gutter is, we're going to put on a piece of 6-inch ivory colored gutter, seal it off to the wall, and then we're going to run our 2x3 downspout. It's going to come down, elbow over top of the shutter, and come down here and deliver into the wall, or onto the landscaping here. And it's going to be a minimum amount of water, but this way we know that nothing's going in. That end cap's going to be sealed off, and we'll make sure that no water's coming back in again to be a problem. And of course, obviously ice is ice, so we don't know what that's ever going to do. So so that's the plan for this project. So we got the windows trims, the siding, the stone, the fake stone on the bottom. On these corners, what we're going to do is remove the aluminum corner strips. We're going to install a 1x3 from top to bottom, and then we're going to cap that off with that color, and it's going to go about 2 inches onto the side, existing siding, because we're not tearing anything off of here, and cap off, and then we'll have our channel, or have it capping over top of the siding, you know, to act like a J channel. Okay, and that's what we're going to end up doing. We might end up with a piece down here, a piece of treated or something underneath the kick plate here. Well, you know what? No, that's better not, because this may move. So it's better to let this stay the way it is, because this may be doing some heaving in the winter, and if it does, it's going to give them problems on that door. Alrighty. So that's what we're going to do. It's going to be a nice before and after. If I can get back to do the after.